Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, to all my subscribers and my viewers. In today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you guys what it looks like now that the main family room has been drywall. And also I'll be discussing how I will be going about my temporary wiring on this floor. So let's go. So up here you see I have one receptacle that's placed up there. That wire that's hanging is going to be for LED strip lights eventually. And as you can see, I've got 3 pot lights on every corner, pretty much all in line. Okay. And I've also got in this big open space here, plenty of pot lights. Also, there's going to be 2 center lights, one here. This will be my smoke detector for this area that I've attached my temporary power onto. And this will be another center light. And as you can see, I've got a lot of pot lights in this area here. And again, I've got every 3 corners, we've got pot lights. And if I go across here, same thing. There's 3 pot lights in this corner, along with the receptacles all around this area. That there is going to be one GFI, there's going to be a sink here. And that there that you see is going to be for the heated floors that the plumber did. And I've got my data and my receptacles here for the TV. Obviously this is going to be for a fireplace. And I've also got speaker cable. So every corner basically it's got a speaker cable. Along with the middle of the area here, there's going to be 1 speaker, and there's going to be 2 more speakers in this area, along with 2 speakers in this 2 corners here. And also you can see I have my window contacts, and I have my cable for the Lutron shade windows. Also, I will be connecting this heater here, which I will be coming through that wall, which is on the other side. There's a panel on the other side. So I'm going to more than likely attach the cable onto that wall. And as we leave here, this is a open area to the backyard. As you can see, I've got a couple pot lights here. There's 4 pot lights, 1 center light, and I've also got my security system here for the smoke, along with the contacts for the security, motion security contacts. And that's it for today's video. So again, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys on the next video.